Mark is your captain. Yeah, Mark is your captain. Get on a board. Yeah, Mark is your captain. Yeah, Mark is your captain. Get on a board. The Basement Waterproofing Train. Mark is your captain. Hop on the Basement Waterproofing Train. Right along with Fu Vancouver, we're gonna go waterproof the basement. Hop on the waterproofing train. Hop on the Basement Waterproofing Train. We got a little bit of work to do. Yeah, Mark is your captain. Yeah, Mark is your captain. Yeah, Mark is your captain. We're getting closer to digging your basement done. Yeah, we're getting closer to getting your basement done. Hop on the waterproofing train. Yeah, hop on the Basement Waterproofing Train. Along with Cooper and Fu Man, we got a basement, we got a waterproof. Mark's your captain. Yeah, Mark's your captain. We're getting closer to getting your basement done. Mark's your captain. Yeah, Mark is your captain. Hop on the Basement Waterproofing Train with Fu Man and Cooper. We'll get the job done. Oh yeah. Hop on the Basement Waterproofing Train. We got work to do. Yeah, we got work to do. We got to get it done. Yeah, we gotta get it done. Hop on the Basement Waterproofing Train. Mark's your captain. Yeah, Mark's your captain. Yeah, Mark's your captain. We're getting closer to getting your basement done. Yeah, we're getting closer to getting your basement done. Hop on the waterproofing train. Hop on the Basement Waterproofing Train. 'Cause Mark is your captain. Yeah, Mark is your captain. Come right along with Fu Man and Cooper, 'cause they will get the job done together. We're getting closer to getting your basement done. Yeah, we're getting closer to getting your basement done. Come on, hop on the basement waterproofing train. Yeah, come hop on the basement waterproofing train. Yeah, come hop on the basement waterproofing train, because Mark is your captain. Yeah, because Mark is your captain. Yeah, we're getting closer to getting your basement done. Yeah, we're getting closer to getting your basement done. Go hop on the basement waterproofing train, right along with Foodman and Goober, and see how they get it done. Yeah, hop on the basement waterproofing train. Yeah, hop on the basement waterproofing train. Watch Foodman and Goober get it done. Yeah, watch Foodman and Goober get it done. Hop on, yeah, hop on the basement waterproofing train. Mark is your captain. Yeah, Mark is your captain. We're getting closer to getting your basement done. Mark is your captain. Mark is your captain. We're getting closer to getting your basement done. Come hop on the basement waterproofing train. Watch Foodman and Cooper get it done. Yeah, I said hop on the basement waterproofing train. Watch Foodman and Cooper get it done. 'Cause we're getting closer to getting your basement done. I say yeah, we're getting closer to getting your basement done.